The aircraft conveying His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, Asante of Ghana, touched ground at Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport to a royal welcome. The first-class Ghanaian monarch is in Abuja to celebrate the new year with his brother and bosom friend, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Benedion, the Essama Benin Kingdom. At the airport, the Asante was received by the sons of the Essama, Mr. Bright and Peter Benedion. They later departed from the airport in a motorcade that depicts the royal standing of the august visitor, whose tradition is to celebrate the new year with his close friend, the Essama Benin Kingdom, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Benedion. His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II later arrived at the signature house into the warm embrace of the Essama of Benin Kingdom, who openly showed him brotherly love and affection. The tradition of spending the beginning of every new year with the Essama of Benin Kingdom began years back when the Asante promised that he will always celebrate the new year with his brother and bosom friend, the Essama of Benin Kingdom, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawaru Benedion. Joseph Kadri, ITV News.